What's going on, you guys? Here's I ended the day at $1,531 in profit, trading the Nasdaq this morning. Same day I took the previous losses and blew the express. I'm gonna give you guys a recap of everything that happened. I took four trades, one break even, one loss, another break even, and one win. Okay, this combine is down. This combine is down, and the express I only had 600 to play with, blown as well, blown to fuck, as we say. But I'll give you guys a top-down analysis of everything that happened. These are London's low, London's highs. I'm not interested in taking a trade before we sweep these highs, these lows, or Asia lows right around here. When we swept Asia lows, that's what initiated the first trade. We swept Asia lows, and we also were inside a 1 hour bullish for value gap, which served as confluence into my trade. Okay, later on the day, in this win, we actually almost came to the consequent encroachment of it and rejected. That's how I made 1,500 on a new combine. The first trade, guys, it was definitely me lacking objectivity. After we swept Asia, I entered after a change in the state of delivery, had a precise entry here. We closed above this swing high, enter with one contract. And at one point of the trade, guys, I was up 52 points, 53 points. Okay, that is my base number. That is my mistake for not closing this trade. I simply wanted us to sweep these highs, but this high right here. But the minute I saw we created a bearish SMT at these highs and we failed to sweep them, I should have really closed this position. But I wanted it to hit full TP. That's my mistake. I take full accountability for that. I will not do that moving forward. Sometimes you need to be objective. You need to have the mental flexibility to be as objective as you possibly can. Okay, because it's probabilities. Okay, I never trailed. I simply let price stop me at break even. No biggie. I'll learn from it. Take full accountability for it. Moving forward, I will secure profits. You can never go broke taking profits. So I really wanted us to sweep these high, hit the consequent encroachment at least of this 1 minute bearish for value gap. That's not what price did. Failed to sweep these high, stop me at break even. No biggie. That's break even trade right here. I re-enter this position, copy trading all these, not all of them. This one. So this one I left it alone after these loss. I re-enter this position after we had another change in the state of delivery, right around here. So you guys can see we closed above this swing high. We were inside a 1 minute bearish for rally gap. I wanted to see it get ran through, and it did get ran through. Almost swept these high right here, but I got stopped out right before it did that. No biggie, 20-point stop. I took a loss, one break even, one loss. Re-enter this position again because I still had a bullish bias. I wanted to see these highs get swept and another break even. It happens. Came to this 1 minute bearish for value gap and continue pushing further down. So after these three trades, I was done trading this and this account. The express was already blown. I bought another combine and knew we still had bearish bullish potential around here. Why? Because we still have London's highs around here that have not gotten swept. And we dumped significantly, so I am expecting a reversal. We already have a liquidity sweep around here, and we are inside a 1 hour bullish for value gap still. Okay. So I still had a bullish bias. When I know when the market is going, I have to put some money in the line. Changing the set of delivery right around here, closed above this swing highs. Enter right here with two contracts. This account I still copy traded on this one, so I was still down 1.5. I mean 1.1 on this account, but I entered with two contracts, cost 69 points, and came out in profit for this account. I'm missing 1.5 on here, and I funded. And this trade was a very, very good trade. It was a 70-point banger, roughly. I targeted this high. We were already inside a 1 hour bullish for value gap, and we already had gotten a liquidity sweep here, Asia lows. So I knew we were going to reverse, targeted these highs. This trade actually delivered. I can easily fund this on another 1.5 win. And this accounts, even though I am negative for the day, they're still up. I'm up 1K here. No biggie. And I'm even up 300 here. So I will for sure have major confidence that I will fund all these accounts and I will possibly secure another payout by the end of May. Mistakes happen, blown accounts happen. I don't grow any attachment to funded accounts. It is what it is. You know, some days you're in the right side of probability, some days you're not. Can't get mad about it, can't cry. You simply adapt. Okay, you adjust. Good trade right here, 70-point banger. Had a right bias in all these trades. It's just poor precision. You know, little bit choppy as well, but I'm not mad at that. Okay. Almost hit the consequent increment of this 1 hour bullish for value gap, created a nice change in the state of delivery, targeted this high right here. And this one delivered nicely, targeted this high, roughly 70 points, guys. We will continue moving forward. We will journal. We will get better, and we come back stronger. This time, I'm coming for 3 funded accounts. And mark my words, I will fund all of these and request payouts from all of them. Catch you guys in the next video.